The summer is coming to an end, and that summer job that you had is just, it's gonna get too overwhelming. You know it is. And so you're probably quitting. Maybe the begging of your parents for money and cash isn't working. Maybe you need to buy back to school clothes. Maybe this, maybe that. But the truth is, you're broke, and that's why you're watching this video. Alright, I have my little YouTube journal with all of my bullet points on the things or the ways that I've made like a ton of money. Keeping it is a different story, but making it is literally so easy. Like, making money is not that hard, guys. And if you think that making like 1K is hard, then just skip this video because it's not for you. Jumping right in, the first way that people always say to make money, and it's kind of oversaid because I've actually never used this way, but obviously babysitting. Everyone knows if you're a teenager, you know, Babysitter's Club, like obviously you can babysit, but where to find children? Well, boy, have I got a place for you. Facebook. There's always like, go like put the filter on for your area and find people who are looking for babysitters and just babysit. Like, just go on Facebook, literally. But if you're not comfortable with that, which is why I personally never babysat because children are just not my strong suit. Some ways that I have used are Daypop, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace. So essentially just selling online. The first one I'm gonna recommend to you is Facebook Marketplace because you don't have to pay for shipping if there's people in your area. It's basically just like a huge yard sale and they'll come and pick stuff up. And people are always looking for stuff in your area. So if you have your location on for your Facebook Marketplace, like clothes or whatever you're selling on Facebook Marketplace, then people are gonna see it because it's in their area. Daypop I used to sell a lot on, but it's just gotten honestly horrible, if I'm being honest. I just don't like the way that the payment stuff works. And I'm gonna be brutally honest with you guys, like, I don't like it anymore. I just don't like Daypop. It's not what it used to be. It still has good clothes, but as a seller, it's just not for me, which is why I'm going to recommend, on top of that, going to Poshmark. Also, this whole thing, none of this is sponsored. I'm just helping you guys because I'm also a broke person. Well, I'm not broke, but you know, I spend all my money, but then I make it all back. So I just want to teach you guys how. But anyways, Poshmark is the way to go. Like, they pay full for shipping and they ship within 2 days. You just have to print off a card or a barcode or whatever. Anyways, super easy way to sell clothing online. Like, I've sold so much stuff on Poshmark. It's just the easiest. Next up, something you can do daily to earn money right from your bedroom or right from the grocery store, I guess I should say. If you haven't heard of Fetch Rewards by now, then you probably live under a rock because Fetch Rewards is just, it's that. You don't have to do anything. Technically, you have to spend money, but you're doing that anyways. With Fetch Rewards, all you have to do is literally scan your receipts, and then you can buy like gift cards for wherever you want to go. But I just get a Visa gift card, so my camera keeps shaking. I'm so sorry, it's really annoying. So I just get a Visa gift card with my Fetch Rewards points. You scan your receipt, any receipt you get. They just use the data for like seeing what's trendy, what people are buying, and they sell that to like companies, you know what I mean? But just know that you will run out if you don't use your gift card or whatever within a certain period of time. Like, you'll lose all your points, or if you don't use your points and buy a gift card, then you'll literally lose them. Or if you stop scanning codes for like a number of time. That's happened to me, and I've lost like 5,000 points, which kind of sucks. And the cool thing about getting points is, like, if you go grocery shopping and you scan your receipt for your grocery shopping, it's possible that something you bought may give you extra points. Like, if there's a thing that says, oh, if you buy a box of Lucky Charms, like, you're gonna get an extra 30,000 points, and then you accidentally buy Lucky Charms because you were just in a Lucky Charms mood. Okay, something I've like barely heard of ever that is it's so good. Like, I don't know why people don't do this, because most households, if your house has like a ton of people, then it probably has books. Not even a ton, actually. Just if you have like siblings, at least one sibling. Or if you just like to read, books. You have books. If you're done reading a book, or maybe you have all those if you have all those children books that you're done reading, Ziffit.com, I don't know if it's Ziffit or Ziflit, but I wrote down Ziffit. So Ziffit.com, you sell books. That's it. You literally just sell it to them. You don't even need a buyer. Like, you just sign up and you scan the code on your book, and then you package it up and you send it off, and you get a ton of money. I don't know about you guys, but to me, that sounds like a deal. Okay, something easy and fun that you can do, like maybe in your town or also on Daypop Make jewelry. This is a good hobby if you're bored and you're in the home alone. Literally just buy like charms or whatever and just make jewelry, or buy thread and you can make like those visco bracelets. Like, those are so cute to me personally. I like them. Or you can make like these little things. I don't know, just make jewelry and sell it. It's so easy. Okay guys, I feel like this has been so quick. This is literally the quickest video ever. So this is just like quick, simple ways to make money. This is how I made a ton of money, and hopefully this is helping you guys. But my last and final way is charity shops, not the donate ones, not like Goodwill, although you should still donate to your local charity shop. But that's not what this is about. This isn't about donations. This isn't about volunteering. This is about making money. And charity shops like Plato's Closet, I know people say that they can be kind of picky, but you know, whatever. If you have a ton of clothes that you don't wear anymore, because if you're like me and your style has changed 20 bajillion and one times, Plato's Closet, literally just give them your clothes and they will give you money. You need no work. You don't even have to do it online. You don't even have to work. Anyways guys, if you've enjoyed this video, these are the simplest, easiest ways to make a ton of money fast. Literally just do all of these like at once if you want, and you'll see the fastest results. Be consistent on, you know, your selling platforms and stuff like that, because consistency is key. And yeah, you can also manifest. If you haven't watched my manifesting video, it is so easy to manifest money. I give 3 steps. It's like always worked for me. Literally the easiest ways in the world. Go watch that manifesting video. Anyway guys, just your friendly average teen that's clearly rich. I mean, just look at this big old room, am I right? Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like, go subscribe, post notifications. I really don't care if you have post notifications on, but you can if you want. Turn those post notifications on because I make very interesting videos. And let me know if this helps you make money.